Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I forgot to do the intro at the salon for this video, but today I'm going to show you guys how to gray blend using fine small baby lights. I am not a big fan of permanent color. If you guys have been supporting me for a while, watching my videos, you know that. The only time I use permanent color is if the clients request it. My favorite thing to do, especially for people who are white or gray, at least 50% to 100%, is this technique. My client has fine hair. Her hair was my length just 4 or 5 months ago, pre-COVID. So we're growing her hair out a little bit. In a couple more months, it's growing like weeds. We should have it long enough to put in tape-in extensions. And if you guys want to see that video, then let me know down below. If you want to watch this and you want to learn tips and tricks on how to blend gray hair and make it look really good, then keep watching. Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys two things. One is how to blend gray or white hair with very small, tightly packed baby lights, and the other is how to foil on very short hair. My client's hair, no exaggeration, grows like weeds. I will insert a photo of her hair previous session right before COVID-19 took the world by storm and halted everything. So you guys know the last several months Goldwell Oxycure has been my ride or die lightener. I decided here to play with some Fanola's No Yellow Lightening Powder. I love this bleach as well, you guys. It gets amazing lift up to 9 levels. It's very gentle on the hair and it smells like bazooka bubblegum. Remember, if you are interested in any Fanola products, whether you're a stylist, a client, there's something for everybody. Information on how to purchase Fanola as well as my discount codes are linked down below in my description box. Feel free to use it. It's really cool. Since I'm a Fanola insider, they are giving all of my lovely supporters 10% off their entire order. So get on that. Happy shopping, guys.
Disturbing the peace with some peace of mind. Sleeping in jeans, I'ma need a night. OD on the cheap advice. OC on the cheapest flight. Lately I've been on the move trying to get to something, but I told her I've been running just to see the sights, see the lights, and they're not my types who would chill with brother if his ice all white, but it's not. Am I living life in a box? Tell if it's a crisis or not. I hate coming off too normal, but I can use a wife and a dog and a job and a white fence off where the white kids walk. Well, have I been lost? Don't know where the days went. I spent a lot of nights in a blur, and I bet it's been a few too many trying to make it, and I haven't yet. Yeah, we had to bet. I'm only here, yeah.
So my advice for trying to blend gray white hair is to lighten up. Everyone always reaches for dark color, and that's the worst thing to do when you notice you have grays. She's about 50 to 65% gray white, so I'm packing these baby lights in. Yes, this is a lot of work, but the smaller each foil, the better the blend and the grow out.
You don't like this music, you don't be listening to it, you know I'm just a dude that you know, or something similar. If you don't keep it real, then you go somewhere but here, cause you know we're only losing control just for a minute. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah, yeah.
Full-time artist on tour, keep it real, no secret. I wanted to get home to my own Mona Lisa. What's the point of seeing Caesar if you lose touch with Jesus? There I pledge my allegiance. I stumbled into greatness. Only logical conclusion is I fumble with the fakeness. But rumble, young man, rumble. Anything that doesn't kill you makes you stronger or more humble. Been digging through this tunnel, thinking why I'm patient. Never been afraid to holler out, my God's the greatest. Ain't gotta make sense, man, I used to make tents. If my life is a vacation, what am I chasing? You see friends come and go, but family is forever, especially in your lows. Not just blood. Ain't trying to keep up with the Joneses, cause the clones may end up becoming homeless. I ain't stuck, and my actions they can show. And if they don't, then God forgive me for my woes. I need love, I need God, I need you, I need us.
So I am overlapping her previously lightened ends, and I know they're a level 10, but I am doing this because unfortunately she does have some green on her ends all over her hair. The camera's not picking it up, but she likes to play with fun colors, and she used a color and it ended up feeding out green. I let her process for about 45 minutes. The last 5 minutes of processing, I threw leftover lightener with Kenra's Clarifying Detox and Deflect shampoo. Threw it on those ends, let it kick open that cuticle, and then I went and pulled the foil.
But here, cause you know we're only losing control just for a minute. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah.
some advice for foiling very short hair is to have good tension. It's good to have good tension always when foiling, but you can also clip the subsection down once you weave out your highlight. Make sure you are thorough and clean. I know it sounds silly, but don't be sloppy. It will cause a bunch of problems down the road. So I am root tapping her using a 9N Shades EQ. I let it process for about 5 minutes only before rinsing and toning her ends. I wanted just a slight tap to kick out any foil lines and pull my highlights together with her grays. For her all over toner, I use Redken Shades EQ 10N, 10VV, and Redken released 3 new level 10s not too long ago. They released 10P, 10GI, and 10T, and I wanted a very bright ashy level 10, so I threw a splash of 10T in my formula as well.
Full-time artist on tour, keep it real, no secret. I wanted to get home to my own Mona Lisa. What's the point of seeing Caesar if you lose touch with Jesus? There I pledge my allegiance. I stumbled into greatness. Only logical conclusion is I fumble with the fakeness. But rumble, young man, rumble. Anything that doesn't kill you makes you stronger or more humble.
You guys, look how beautiful and realistic this hair has turned out. This is my final tutorial from Cut to the Chase Hair Salon. It's now time to enter a new chapter. Amazing videos are on the way. Subscribe and hit the bell. You don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos. And until the next one, guys, so long for now.
My actions, they can show. And if they don't, then God forgive me for my woes. I need love, I need God, I need you, I need us.